Hi everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to make a game on Scratch. So I'm going to show you an example that I made, but the one that we're going to make is got more stuff to it. So you click start, and then if you clicked on gold, the dog will turn gold, that colour that it's got. If you clicked on grey, it will turn grey. Peach, peach. Brown, brown. White, white. Okay. So if you go onto my stuff, this one here is a little folder. Click next. Then click on add new project. First of all, we need to get our sprite. Well, first of all, we need to get our title. So my title is going to be make your own pet. There you go. Then add a few exclamation marks. Okay, so first we need sprites. So this is going to be my first sprite. To make it easier for me to remember how to remember which sprite is sprite, which sprite is that sprite. Then click on this little eye, then click in that box there and type in cat 1. Okay. So there we go. So now it's called cat 1. So I'm going to go in the sprite library, click on animals, because this is like a pet. So if you scroll down, I'm going to have a dog. It already says dog 2. If you go on to costumes, which is up here, pick which costume you like. I just like the first one. Same with that cat one. There you go. And just place them wherever you like. I'm just going to grow the dog by one. Then go in the sprite library. Got people, animals. I'm only going to have 3, but you can have as many as you like. Oh, I just went past it. I'm going to have a horse. And then costumes. Wait, the first one again. Now that they all fit, going to create our own sprite, which is that toothbrush. Okay. What we're going to do is click on this rectangle one. Then we're going to click on this outline one. Pick the width of your outline. I like it how it is. Then pick your colour. So I'm going to have this one's going to be for the cat, so an orange. Then click on the white square, so that will happen. Then click on the peach. So my outline is going to be peach. You can't see it very well, but honestly it is there. Then click off of it, because I like the size of it. Then I'm going to click on the orange square, so that is orange. Make sure you click on the fill effect. You're just going to click inside of it so it appears. Going to drag that in front of the cat. Go on the T, which means text. Pick your font, which is underneath font. Pick scratch. Then going to have the outline colour again. Going to say C-A-T, cat. Grow it however big you want it. As big as this square, I don't know. But before we do that, sorry, it's undo. Sorry, don't do that. Undo it. Undo. Undo. This is the undo button. There you go. Right. Instead of that, I'm just gonna click on the select and drag it all the way over to sides, and I can't see it anymore. There you go. So I'm just going to copy, duplicate it 3 times. There you go. Look, now I've got 3 of those, all the same size. Then go on the fill effects again. Pick whatever colour you want for the dog, so mine's going to be blue. Fill the middle, then green. Have to be very careful with this. And get the outline like that. To get the third one and do the same thing, whatever colours you like. So brown and a light brown. Fill effects. Swap. See what I mean? Fill effects. Swap. There you go. It just makes it stand out a bit more. They're all the same size. So now if I just like muddle them out a bit. There you go. I've got my 3 things. Now we're going to do text. So like I said at the start, get your colours. Go on T. Pick the form. Then write what animal it is. There you go. Here's your first one, it says cat. My second one, change it to that green. D. J, you can't see it right now. But, there you go, now you can see it. Now you can see what it says. It says, the nice big letter dog. So if we go over here, scroll down, go by deeper brown and type in H-O, there you go, horse. Just going to drag it. There you go. So now that says horse, dog and cat. We're going to make these our 3 buttons. Okay, so how we're going to do that is when this thing is clicked, when flag is clicked, what we're going to do is just right click on the screen and press clean up so it just cleans it up. So it's not messy and all over the place. So you can't see what it says. When this is clicked, go to wherever it is, you just click on this go to one and drag it up here. Then in looks, we go to show, because it's going to be hiding. Okay. So, now we're going to go back onto events and say, when this sprite is clicked, clean up, broadcast, message 1. Okay. Then what we're going to do, go back on cat, then drag this down to here, and then drag this down to here. So it's just in your backpack, so you can take it wherever you like to go. I'm not deleting the ones that we've done, it's just that my old ones. So now it's blank. Go on there. Go back onto motion because this is the wrong one. So go to there. Then link the hide. Wait, what? Link the show. Clean it up. But we want a new message. We want this one just to say, well, whatever you want to say. I'm just going to type in dog. You can make it say A or whatever you like. So it says, when this sprite is clicked, broadcast dog. Now with the horse, going to do the same thing. Clean up, and then clean this up. So then we've got that. Like I said, we want a new message, just going to type in A for horse. So like that. So there we go, we've got our buttons done. So now, we're going to go onto this backdrop thing. So how you do that is just click on this down here. Click on backdrops. I'm going to pick one from the thing, because you don't know how to do that. Just click on this nice little picture here. I am going to do brick wall 2. That's going to be for my cat. Then for this one, I'm going to have a deep, just go on to fill effects, deep blue and I don't know, deep purple, pink, sorry. Click on this one, then click on the screen, and it goes like out like that, and it really looks cool. Okay, that's our opening screen. Then we need 2 more of whatever one you want. So pick whichever one you want. We want it outdoors, or you can have it indoors. I just want it outdoors. Bench review. Has it done it? Oops, sorry. Oh, sorry, I think I've made a sprite. Yeah. Oops, I've made a sprite. Sorry. Delete. Go on to there. Oh, where's my cat thing gone? Right. Sorry about this. Just make a cat one quickly. Whoa. Sorry, that just looks weird. There you go. Then quickly text. Type in. There you go. Right. There's my cat thing. If it's too big, which it is slightly, it doesn't matter. So then we're going to get another one. Which one did I wanted bench review. Then one more. And that is going to be, scroll down. Where is it? Garden with garden rock. There you go. So first of all, what you want is when start is clicked, oops, right click, clean up, switch backdrop to backdrop 1, okay? You can always name your backdrops like slightly differently, so what you can do is just type up here, then you can just go like main, say it's your main. Then what you have to do now is quickly change that to main. There you go. So now what you want to do is go onto here. When I receive, clean it all up, spread it out a bit, sorry. A dog message 1. There you go. So when I receive that, switch backdrop to, then you'll just decide, not all to garden rock, so I will bench review, that's safe for the horse, and, wait no, for the horse, brick wall 2, cat, bench review. Yep. So if we just clean it up again. So if we play it, it'll go like that. Oops. Oh, I know I did wrong. Right. So go back onto horse. I forgot to change the motion on it. So if I quickly do that, delete that. There you go. So now if I click on that, then it'll go to that. That will go with that. Right. When I receive cat. Right. I did no programming for that, sorry. So okay, so now what I'm gonna do is that's gonna be message 1. So now hopefully it changes. Yep, see, it changed just like that. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do is, now that it's got all of those working, what we're gonna have to do is say when backdrop changes, when backdrop changes, when backdrop changes, clean up, spread them out again. Then when backdrop changes to garden rock, what one does this? Yeah. So when hide, and then hide. So we were brickboard to hide. So now if that changes to that, that will hide, and we also want this little pussycat to hide. Okay, so if you just drag that and that into there. Clean up. Yep. So then with this one is bench with view, so we're going to have to change like this one is garden rock, so change that to bench with view. Then with view we're going to have to do that, change brick wall to garden rock. Wait, no, not garden rock, bench with view. Bench with view. Then right click. We also need this and put in a show. Clean up. Almost done. Okay, so when this is clicked, everything will show. Then if that happens, then if that happens, then if that happens. Okay, cool. Why isn't this showing? Why isn't that hiding? Right? Ah, didn't know it was this one. This one isn't hiding either. Okay. When it switches to bench review, so hide. Then same with you. What is? Oh, whoops. Sorry. Yeah, that'll be fine. Ah. There you go. So now it's all working. Okay. Cool. So now what we need it to do is have like these little circle buttons. Oh yeah, and every now and then press save now. Where's the backpack? Make more sprites, not from there, unless you want to be them from there. Or what you can do is make them pick randomly. That's what I'm going to do. I'll show you the other programming from my other one, so it's all good. So what we're going to do is when key press, this is going to be left arrow and right arrow. Okay. Then what we're going to do is, oh, wrong one, sorry. You need to go as a little pussycat. Left arrow, right arrow, clean up. Right, and then left, and then just spread them out a bit. Nope, looks. So we're going to do is change colour by, I don't know, 10. And then change colour by, what we're going to put here is simply a minus 10. Clean up, there you go. So when we play that now, say if we clicked on that, it'll change all colours, and if you wanted to go the other way, then there you go. It's cool if you just like hold it down. It's like rainbow cat. If you want it to change by more colours, then when by 5 and then loads of different colours will appear. But I'm just going to have it for 10. Okay. It's a clever thing because it knows where it should be. So you don't have to put like at start this has to do this. Okay. So then what we're going to do is drag this into our rucksack again. Clean up. So drag, backpack, sorry, not rucksack. Same for that, and then same for the horses. Just clean up, then clean up by there. There you go. So now, when we do it for either one, it will work. See? Just like a rainbow dog. See? Goes back to normal colours as well after that. So horse, I'll get that thing to hide on it. Cool. There you go. No, not cool. Bench review. There you go. So now it should work. It's the changing coloured pussycat. So they would like go through like this. Say if they like this colour, so there you go. What I'm also going to add in is another 2 of these. Oops, sorry. That and then that. Clean it up. Then I'm going to change the shade. Where is it? Wait, sorry, I'm going to change the size, not shade. So if you want a big cat, then you can have a big cat. When up arrow is pressed, and down arrow is pressed. Oh, okay. Now for this one, just going to move that around a bit. Set size to whatever size it was. So that size. That. Say it was about 100. Yeah, there you go. Set size to whatever size it was. Yeah. Good. Right. Okay. So now if we're like playing dog, don't tell me I forgot to do it on the dog. Yep, forgot to do it on the dog. Sorry. So up arrow and then down arrow. Did I do it on the horse? No, I didn't. It's only a cat. Right, up I changed it by 10. So where's the dog? then change that by just add like -10. There you go. So then we're going to do it again. It's just the process of repeating basically. Okay, so then size by 10, change size by minus that. What is that? There you go. Then this is going to be up and this is going to be down. Okay, so now if we do it, yeah. You can have a massive cat and a tiny cat. And then we can have a weird cat. There you go, there's your cat. Okay, so if we played it in full screen, sorry, sometimes it takes forever to load. There you go. So if we played it, then that would be like that. Whee! Massive dog. Tiny dog. If you can see that blue speck is our dog. Then we can have like a multi-coloured dog. I like the look of that dog. There you go. So I hope you enjoy my video, and please watch my other videos.